What?
You are not going to believe what happened today.
Are you okay?
Susie did not say hey to me.
I'm sure she was just busy.
Stop.
Just don't think about it.
I don't need a Mr. Fix-It. I need you to listen to me.
Did you hear that? She doesn't want my help at all. John, the way to help Beth right now is to just listen to her. But look at her. Get back in there. I'll try. Beth, can we try that again?
I guess.
This time I'm only gonna listen, no fixing.
Well... I feel so much better. I'm sure Susie just had a lot going on. That was like so helpful.
I'm glad.
John! The toilet's clogged.
Oh, that sounds so stressful.
I don't need you to listen. I need you to get in here and fix it.